Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're heading into the forests of New Zealand to meet one of the most unique and elusive birds in the world, the kiwi. The kiwi is a small, flightless bird with a long beak and a great sense of smell. Pretty unusual for a bird, right? They're also nocturnal, which means they're most active at night. That's when you're most likely to hear their distinctive calls echoing through the dark forest. Male kiwis make sharp, high-pitched whistles, like kiwi kiwi, which is actually where their name comes from. Females, on the other hand, have a lower and raspier call. These sounds help them find each other and defend their territory. So, what does a kiwi actually sound like? Let's take a listen. Pretty wild, huh? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever heard a kiwi in real life, or would you like to? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing nature sounds and fun wildlife facts.